Kai, say what's up.
Hi.
Say what's up, Dad.
What's up, big guy?
Mommy, say what's up.
Hey guys. Dust Juice Mom here. We're live and direct. So we're in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach to be exact. And so we're here with his dad, his sister, his uncle Chris, me, and Mommy, right? We're about to take this helicopter ride. And we've never been on a helicopter. We've been on airplanes, but never a helicopter. So stay tuned in, guys. It's going to be live and direct. We'll let you know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Uncle Chris, say what's up.
What up, Dust?
That's Uncle Chris, special guest. I got a helicopter. Yeah, I can see that. We just chilling. I'll come back to you guys. I'll come back to you guys when we get in the helicopter. Peace.